Hello, I bought this radio and it is like new. Worst thing about this is this little nick right here, and everything else is like brand new. And I put all brand new capacitors in it, and somebody had a channel mod on it and they hacked the board, and I soldered the traces back together with some pins off of the capacitors that I installed in it, and it works. I got another sideband right over this one over here hears real well, but it won't transmit. But anyway, here's what it's on AM right now. Whenever you try to transmit on AM, it does this. Testing, 1, 2, hello, hello. See, don't work. I don't know what that is. I mean, something's out of adjustment. Maybe they got the AM VR adjustment too high. I don't even know which ones are which. Anyway, I didn't mess with no tuning on this radio. I never tune them. That's a bad idea. Anyway, I'll show you what sideband does, though. Sideband works. Here's upper sideband, channel 36. Testing, 1, 2, check. Hello? Hello, check. Hello. It's working. So, try lower sideband. I'll do 28 just for the fun of it. There ain't nobody on there. And there was earlier today. I don't hear nobody anymore. Hello. Testing. 1, 2. Check. Hello. Testing. 1, 2. Hello. Well, I even have the box. See the box? It's like brand new. I got this tape on here so I won't mess it up. Well, this thing's never even been used. I think somebody bought it, tried to put a channel mod on it, screwed it up. So I took it off of there and put all new caps in it because it's real old. And now, well, it wasn't working at all when I first got it. It was dead. So then I resoldered the traces on the chip, the PLL. Them all back just like they go, and so now I got static. So, well, this says lower sideband. Well, I got that backwards. Lower sideband is what you talk to on 36 or 28. Upper sideband 28. Testing, 1, 2, check, hello. That wasn't too good, was it? Maybe it's the wrong. Yeah, I got it on AM. Now, there we go. I don't have the knob on that one radio. Okay, now we're on the upper sideband 28 on both radios. Testing, 1, 2, check, hello. Hello. Works good. Sideband works, but AM is big no-go. I can't really hear anybody on 19 on this radio. Try to transmit. Just feedback. Hello. See, nothing. It's a big no-go. Dang. Hate it when this happens. Alright, well, sorry about the crappy camera work, but I'm gonna fix up some radios. I'm not too good on these 138s. I replaced all the caps good. I'm good at that. I don't know nothing about them. 138 XLRs. If you have any idea about what that is, it's probably an adjustment. Sounds like something's turned up too far. Anyway, See, the dynamite, I didn't even have that up very far. We could probably turn it to there. Let's try this. Hello. Oh, that's just worse. Look, it swings though. Watch this. Testing. Makes a nice high C or something. A or E or something. I don't know what it is. Hello. Swings a little bit. Hello. AM's got something wrong. I don't know. You got any ideas? Write something in the comment section. Sorry, this is shaky. Like I said before, or I didn't. I got some radios. I keep the packing, and the camera tripod is behind all that. I don't ever throw away packing though, because you're gonna need it. All right. Yeah, I need a big box to put that all in. Put out in the shed or something. All right. Thanks for watching, and sorry this is such a crappy video, but I really need to know what's wrong with this. The sideband's not too bad. I think it works. Probably use some adjusting too. Tell me what you think that is on AM. This feedback sucks. I have no idea. I bet you that somebody cranked up the AM modulation, or maybe output or something, as far as it go. I don't know. I don't mess with that stuff. Well, I don't know 138s. I have no idea what to touch. I can do a 29, but not a 138. They don't have a lot of information. I can't find the manual, shop manual. If I could find a shop manual, I could help this radio. So, all right. Thanks for watching. Sorry it was a shaky video. I guess I need to get my tripod out. All right. Over and out. Bye now.